Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use battery saver on your Android. So we have different Android. So if you are going to look for your battery saver, you can just go to your settings. When you click on your settings, click on search setting here, and you can just search for your saver. You can search for your saver, you can see, and it's going to bring it out here. Let's wait for it. But here I'm using Android, which is a Phoenix. So just go to your settings here. Okay, let's search for battery. Just go back to your settings here, and you come here, come to power marathon. Click on your power marathon here, then you click on advanced settings here. You can see this is a battery saver here. Just click on battery saver and you can use the battery saver. So if you want to turn on your battery saver, you turn on your restriction background activities. You'll not be able to use some features on your phone, like your browsing going to stop, no any notification from your browser. You're not going to be able to use your data. Just for you to save your battery from off, maybe you have a little percent remain on your phone. That is why your battery saver is very helpful. Once you on it, it is going to restrict some apps that consume your data from coming in. So it's going to save your phone battery till sometimes for you to use it. So it is very good if you have a low battery on your phone to always put your phone on saver mode, so that the phone will not shut down immediately. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.